Hello guys, so this is the part C video of the chapter 1 series. Today we'll look into more concepts related to your chapter 1. So as we all know, we previously studied that business is any economic activity which fulfills human needs and wants. Now, whose needs and wants does the business looks to fulfill here? They look into fulfill needs and wants of its customers. So, we can now understand the foundation of any business is its customers, and it is highly essential for businesses to keep their customers satisfied. Now, let's look into the functions carried out by businesses. They carry out production, finance, administration, HRM, marketing, research and development, purchasing, and IT. Now, let's look at them individually. First, production. This relates to businesses who produce their own goods or services to satisfy their customers' needs and wants. Now, companies like Samsung produce their own smartphones, headsets, etc. to satisfy their needs and wants of its customers. Second, financial activities. Now, every business needs funds to run a business, and those should be effectively managed to run a business successfully. Now, to find out how well the business has performed, they prepare financial statements like profit and loss accounts, balance sheet, etc. The next function is administration. In administration, the business should maintain all their document and other communication activities according to the required standard for those specific industries. For an example, it is necessary to provide safety equipments to construction workers. In the administration department, they look whether the safety measures are carried out. The next function is HRM, Human Resource Management. This is where the business tries to manage its people effectively to achieve the goals and objectives of the business. Now, how HRM manage its people effectively to achieve the goals and objectives of the business? What they do is they recruit and retain good employees. What those good employees do is work hard and smart to achieve those goals and objectives set by the business. Apart from that, they also handle grievances brought to them by the employees and also all staff related matters. The next function is marketing. This is where the business promotes and sells its products or services to its customers. It uses techniques like advertisements to grab its customers' attention. Now, in between TV breaks, you tend to see a lot of advertisements. These are all made to grab attention. Now, with the improvement in the technology, now we tend to see a lot of advertisements on our social media. Those are all catered to our individual needs. How does Facebook or Instagram or any other social media knows our interests? It works like this. Let's say you are opening a Facebook account. What you do is you will be going to their Facebook page, then click create account and give in details like your name, sex, age, location and interests. Now Facebook stores these data. When a company wants to advertise, let's say the company that advertise is a marriage brokering site. What they do is they also log on to Facebook and promote their ads. Before the ad is posted, Facebook will provide them with a form So this form they have to fill in. This will include the price, the age categories for whom this advertisement should be shown, etc. So after the form is filled, the Facebook displays ad according to their requirements. Since Facebook has your details like marital status, age, it is easy for them to display advertisements based on the requirements of their client. Likewise, ads are also shown to you based on your search results. That's how any social media platform uses their data to display advertisements. Now, let's look into the next function, research and development. Here, businesses tries to generate new ideas and then tries to create new products. Example, the smartphones that are available today in the market are equipped with fingerprint and face ID. So these are all efforts from research and development that were carried out by their respective companies. Now let's look into the next function, purchasing. In purchasing, all required materials and machines are purchased to produce their goods or services. Example, let's take a company like Cadbury. So they are into chocolate manufacturing, and in order to manufacture best chocolates, they buy best cocoa from Ghana. So that's how they do their purchasing and maintain their quality. Now let's look into the next function, IT, the information technology. So a business use IT to increase their productivity. Example of an IT that is used in business is, nowadays accounting functions are computerized. So they use packages like Xero, QuickBooks, etc. to record their financial transactions. The computerized accounting package has helped the businesses to reduce the time taken to record transactions, reduce the time to produce financial statements, and also reduce errors drastically since there are less paperwork involved. So thus it has also increased their productivity drastically. That's it for this video, guys. We have come to the end. Please like, share and comment your questions below. Do follow us in our social media platform for questions related to the contents that we have shared. Cheers.